Want to play with this, Nikita? She's been sneezing a lot. It's not allergies. She can still meow and stuff, but she's been sneezing, sniffling a lot. Oh, so cute. Can't believe I got that on camera. It's a really big sneeze. You okay? Are you gonna sneeze again, or? Hopefully this, forgot what it's called, but hopefully the feathers aren't making it worse, making her sneeze more. Yeah, I think I'll stop now because she sneezed twice already. I don't want to make it worse.